Hello, good evening to all of you. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to this channel after job. So in this video, we will discuss a job openings from Croatia. It's a European country. So guys, if you have a dream to move a European country with a job, then keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, what is the basic requirements to apply for this job. All the details we can discuss in this video so that you can apply as soon as possible. So let's start. This is a multiple vacancies in Croatia and free recruitment. So the field is civil construction project in free recruitment. So let's focus on the job position or the job profile. So first, civil engineering. Second, civil general foreman. Third, shuttering carpenters. Fourth, steel fixers. And let's know what is the requirements for these positions. For civil engineers, you can get 1,500 euro salary, and your educational qualification should be BE or B.Tech in civil engineering with minimum 8 to 10 years of experience in building construction project. So this is the basic requirements which is mentioned below the position. So number 2, civil or general foreman. So formwork installation and reinforcement and pouring concrete. This is the experience requirements in this field, and salary will be 700 euro per month. Next, shuttering carpenters. Candidates having overseas experience. That means you should have experience minimum 1 to 2 years in any country, and your salary will be 700 euro. Next, steel fixers. Salary will be 700 euro, and candidates having overseas experience. That means you should have experience as a steel fixers in any country. So now you know on what is the basic requirements to apply for this job and what is the salary. Next, what is the benefits? Joining ticket will be provided by the company, fooding accommodation will be provided by the company, and transportation will be provided by the company, and medical insurance. So this is the basic benefits from the overseas company or the abroad job. So in any country there have different rules, but for this job in Croatia you can get joining ticket, fooding, accommodation, transportation, medical insurance. So let me explain you all the things in details. When you joining, the ticket will be provided by the flight ticket will be provided by the company. Next, when we will get job and reach there, your fooding will be provided by the company and your accommodations will be arranged by the company. Next, transportations, where you will stay or the company will give you the accommodations. From accommodations to your project or your job location, the transportation will be arranged by the company. Next, medical insurance, when you will do job there you will have a medical card that will be arranged by the company. So there are many benefits from the company. Next, note, candidates must speak English. Of course, if you want to move European country with a job, then your English communication skills should be proper and perfect. Next, how to apply. There is a email ID which is official email ID, and you have to note it from the description below this video, and you can forward your updated CV, your all educational certificates and experience certificates to the given official email ID. Next, after you apply by this official email ID, you can contact about the opening process so that they can inform you in which date you can attend the client interview. Next, this is the very important point. This is the official address in Kochi. If you want, you can visit, but my strongly suggestion will be you to visit to the office. So this is very proper way, and after you visit to the office you can apply directly on the spot, and you can know details about the job openings and also the interview date and time, so that you can easily get this job and you can save your money and waste of time. So next, multiple vacancies in Croatia. So as you can see here, Croatia, Europe, Schengen hospitality jobs. So if you have a hospitality experience, then you can apply as much as possible. So first, continental and sushi chefs. Next, cleaner. Third, housekeeping. Next, kitchen helper. Next, waiters. Next, cashier. Next, delivery bike rider. next nurses, next warehouse helpers, next plumber and AC mechanic, next welders. So very simple. There are 12 type of job openings in hospitality industry. So if you want to apply, then you should have the proper experience in the relevant field. If you have the proper experience and proper certifications for any of this job, then you can apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. So make note the official email ID from the descriptions below this video, and for which job you want to apply as soon as possible. Before you apply, you should know for all of the positions you should have the proper qualifications, proper certifications and proper skills and proper experience, so that you can apply. After you apply, you can visit to the office, otherwise you can contact by this contact number. So guys, I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you. Still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. And lastly, I will suggest you all the informations are descriptions in this video. So please go to the descriptions below this video and collect all this information and read it carefully again. Then you can get a job in Croatia as a European country, and of course you can build your career in European country. So best of luck and goodbye.